Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control your laptop using your phone in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, make sure your phone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open your browser on your laptop and search for Wi-Fi remote. I will put all the links under the video description. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. This is the setup and this is the app. Okay, so after you are done, now go to the Play Store on your phone. Okay, so search for Wi-Fi remote. Okay, download it and install it. Once the app is installed, open it. The app will automatically search for laptop. Okay, if both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your laptop should appear. Okay, click on your laptop to connect. Now let's test it. Okay, so you can type whatever that you want to type on your phone and it will pop up on your screen. Okay, you can control your mouse, you can control your music, everything.